I have bought a beautiful Apple Watch 4. I plan to pair the watch to my iPhone 6 and it won't pair. Let me show you what's going to happen if you try to pair this Apple Watch 4 to iPhone 6. Before I bought the watch, I checked the internet and the Watch 4 is compatible with iPhone 6. And then I bought it and it won't pair. To pair Apple Watch 4 to iPhone 6, firstly, I made sure that I updated the software for my iPhone 6. And I have the iPhone 6 enough charge and the Apple 4 watch fully charged. So firstly, we're going to need to switch this watch on by press the button until you see the Apple logo and wait until it starts. So now it has started. You see that message, get your watch close to your iPhone. So we have the iPhone here. It's not detecting, but doesn't matter. We're going to the screen here and find your watch app. It is here. So now we can press starting pair. So this is again the message you can see. To set up your Apple Watch, make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile network and turn on the Bluetooth. So okay, let's check if Bluetooth is on. So it's not on, so we turn on the Bluetooth. Now it should be okay. So we have connected to Wi-Fi and we have switched on the Bluetooth. Now the watch showing a picture, a shape. So we need to scan this shape with the iPhone camera. Get the watch. So you can see that's the message. iPhone out of date. There are two choices, cancel pairing or update software. So if I press update, so it goes to the setting and check the update and saying my phone is up to date and my iPhone 6 running iOS version 12. So version 12 is not enough for pairing this watch. And if I try to, there's the pairing Apple Watch manually here. If I touch pairing manually, so there's the number, and if you check this watch, and it's the same number. So it is 15086. So we have the same number. If we press this number, that's the watch. And then there's the code displayed on the watch. So I enter from the keypad the same code, 51661. So now it is starting pairing. It's verifying the Apple software. And then the same thing happening again. Say two options. One is cancel pairing. One is update software. If you go to update now, so to the same place and check software update. So I'm running version 12 and it's up to date. So there's no newer version for this iPhone 6. Now we can see we tried scanning the watch face or doing the pairing manually, and both failed because iPhone out of date. I actually checked if Apple Watch 4 compatible with my iPhone 6, and it says it did, because when the Apple Watch 4 launched, it's running watchOS 5, and watchOS 5 is compatible with iPhone 6. And then the user of the Apple Watch 4 can upgrade the operating system of the watch. And I think it's very likely anyone, if they're offered a new version of the software and with newer functionality and features, more likely they're going to upgrade the software if they have a compatible phone. And I think in this case, the watch operating system has been upgraded from watchOS 5 to watchOS 6 or even 7. And watchOS 6 and 7 no longer compatible with iPhone 6. You have to have iPhone 6s, iPhone 7 or later, running operating system iOS 14. So that's why it can no longer pair with my iPhone 6, because the watch operating system has been upgraded. My solution? So I'm going to buy another iPhone 7, to pair with this Apple Watch.